Hi, hello everyone. The title of our major project is Online Bidding System Using Blockchain. My name is Afri Salman Mohammed. Our team members are Nandini and Varlakshmi. We have done our project under the guidance of Lakshminaran sir. Let's have a look on content. Abstract, Introduction, Literature Review, Problem Statement, Software Requirement Specification, Workflow, and the conclusion and the future scope references. Abstract of an online bidding system. We built an online bidding system where users can create an account as sellers and buyers. Yes. Means it is the process of buying and selling the goods or services by which offering them for bids or taking the bids and or the selling the items to highest bidding. We have done our project by using blockchain because previous there are many proposal systems. They are done project under Java, HTML like this. In those proposal system there are many drawbacks. In order to overcome those drawbacks, we use blockchain. Blockchain we can by using blockchain we can resolve the problems of third party issues, and there is also advantages. We can with a low transaction code we can develop the smart contracts of bidding processes. In this, accounts are created using Ethereum blockchain. Let's go to introduction. In traditional bidding system there are two types: public bid, sealed bid. In public bid, bidding can be done in front of all people. For example, if one bidder raises the amount of a particular product or good, the other bid can raise the amount according to previous bidder. So every bidder amount value will be known to all other bidders. So it is public bid. So in here bidding can be done in many times, whereas in sealed bidding, bidding can be only done only once. And here bidding can be done through letters or envelopes. For example, take an examples of our mess college contract. In this, the one who bids the contract with the less amount with all requirements with all good quality food, bidding can be given. Whereas in literature review, the sealed bidding system, bidding can be done through secret manner because bidding can be done only through once. No other bidder's value or amount will be known to other bidders. The one who bids the amount with the lowest cost or lowest price will be given the bidding or given the contract, our college contract. And we have used only blockchain in this technology because blockchain is very decentralized, transparent, immutability, anonymity, and open source. Decentralized means there is no central authority. Every single user has opportunity to become the one of the networks of many payment processors. Next, it is transparent. Data can be sent to users without any third party involvement. Immutable. Data cannot be modified by any user, as you already know. Anonymity. Next, information is very secured in blockchain because its users name cannot be displayed. Only users hash address will be displayed on the to all other users. So, and it is anonymity. Next one is open source. Open source means it is very public free, everyone can use. Next one, literature review. As before, there are many proposal system, but there are many drawbacks on those proposal system. In order to overcome the drawbacks, we came with a blockchain. By using blockchain, there is lacking of data, and we can eliminate the third party issues because there is no central authority in blockchain, and lack of transparency. Data can be sent to the user directly without any involvement of any third party issues. And safety and security is more provided on blockchain because we can only users hash address will be displayed on the screen. No other user details will be displayed on the screen. So security is more provided, and rest of the part will be explained by our team members. And thank you so much for giving this opportunity.
Now here coming to the problem statement. What is the problem statement of this project? To create a trustworthy bidding system and implement using blockchain technology where the user can either place an item for sale or they can bid on the existing items, and the result of the bid can be trusted by all and it cannot be tampered. The content of sale order cannot be modified during a transaction. And coming to the software requirement specification, what are the software requirements and specifications we are used in this project? Plugin MetaMask we are using in this project. MetaMask is a Google Chrome, Opera and Firefox extension for the browser, which makes it easy for web application to communicate with the Ethereum blockchain. In other words, we will call MetaMask is a wallet for our browser. What are the framework we are used in this project? Truffle framework we are used. Truffle is a development environment testing framework. With Truffle we get built-in smart contract compilation, linking and deployment. Server environment nothing but Node.js. Node.js file. Node.js is used to read and write the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum is a peer-to-peer network of nodes that stores a copy of all the data and code on the blockchain. And coming to the what are the smart contract language we are used in this project? Solidity programming here we are used we are used to deploying the project. What are the libraries we are using? Web3.js library we are using. Web3.js is a collection of libraries which allow you to interact with a local or remote Ethereum node using a HTTP or IPC connection. The Web3 JavaScript library interacts with the Ethereum blockchain. It can retrieve user accounts, send transactions, and interact with smart contracts. Ethereum Blockchain Simulator Ganachi GU. What is Ganachi? Ganachi is a personal blockchain for Ethereum development. We can use to deploy contracts, develop your applications and run tests. It is available as a both desktop applications as well as a command line tool. Here we are using command line tool known as test RPC. What is test RPC? Test RPC is a fast and customizable blockchain emulator. Blockchain without the overheads of running on the actual Ethereum node. Accounts can be recycled, reset, and instantiated with a fixed amount of Ether. Fixed amount of Ether means here no need for mining. Gas price and mining speed can be modified. And coming to the some of the fields, whatever we are having in Ganachi we are having some of the field accounts, blocks, transaction, contracts and events. Here we are having user addresses, private keys and 100 ethers for transaction. While performing transaction, we are consuming the gas from these 100 ethers. MetaMask is a browser extension. Now, how do we connect MetaMask to Ganachi? To connect to the local Ganachi blockchain, click on to the three horizontal bars in the top right corner of the MetaMask interface in our existing system. Select the settings and then paste the URL in the Ganachi interface into the test RPC URL box. How do we use Ganachi Ethereum? In Ganachi, first we grab the private key of the first wallet in the list by clicking the key icon to the right of the wallet. Then copy this private key and paste it into the MetaMask import. Confirm and we will have 100 Ether ready for sending on private Ganachi blockchain. And coming to the what are the fields of actors we are used in this project? Some of the four fields we are used in this project: uploader, bidder, bid and tender. What is the uploader? Uploader is nothing but he will uploading the products on the website for selling. The bidder is as the winner bidder until no one bid the product with the higher price or the deadline is due. The auctioneer can get the money from winner and send the product to the bidder. What is the bid? This function can be called by anyone to initialize the bidding action. Before the function is executed, auction start and bidding time are used to judge whether the contract is expired. If not, the bidder can send the bid envelope. If the price is higher than the current higher price, the contract system will use the highest bid and highest bidder to record the current highest price and the corresponding bidder's address. And what is the tender? Tender is a process by which government and financial institutions invite bids for high price that must be submitted within a finite deadline. And the remaining part will be continued by Nandini.
As a continuation part of my friend, I am going to explain about workflow and what we actually done about the project. Coming to the workflow, for every project we need to register first. Here we are dealing with uploaders and bidders, and there is no third party to trust and to lose the hope. because we are using a blockchain technology to ensure that. So first of all, registration. Once registration can be done, we can enter into the project by logging with the register details. Here the login person may be an uploader or a bidder. If the login person is an uploader, then he will go to the uploader dashboard, which have fields like tender name, my tenders, show all bids. Tenders will upload the tender in tender upload, and those will show in my tenders, and all bidding details will be shown in show all bids. If the login person is a bidder, then he will have a fields like make a bid and my bids. He will make a bid by using the tender name, and he will enter the tender amount, and bidding process can be done, and those details will be shown in bidding. The uploader will decide the winner bidder by using the lowest price. Here this is all about project workflow. Here comes registration page. This is we developed a registration page. It contains email, password. If every user must register with his email ID, and the password is user wish. Once confirm the password, the registration can be done, and it will directs to the one page where he have to select an uploader or a bidder. If he selects as an uploader, then he can't be a bidder, and vice versa. And here two dashboards are there, uploader dashboard and bidder dashboard. If the login person is an uploader, then it will directs to the uploader dashboard. Now uploader can upload the tender. In that, uploader have to enter the tender name, quantity, and the details about the tender. If we take an example of our college mess, our VC will be an uploader and uploaded the mess tender with the details of requirements like quality food, weekly menu, and water facility, like that, etc. And the quantity will be 1, and these tender details will be shown in my tenders. And if any bidding details will be done to that tender, then those will be shown in show all bids. If the login person is a bidder, then he have a fields like make a bid and my bids. He can make a bid in that by using tender name. He will bid some amount for tender, and the tender will be send it to the uploader. This will be a bidding process, and his bidding details will be shown in my bids. And at last, the uploader will decide the winner of the contract by selecting the least price bidder. Then he assign the contract to that bidder, and the bidder will make the transact amount to the uploader. So this is all about the bidding system. Finally, we conclude by using this blockchain technology that we can do the processes in transparent way, and mainly it eliminates the third party issue, and to provide safety and security on bidding process. We developed a trusted action system by using Ethereum network of a blockchain. These are the references we used for our project. Thank you.